Say goodbye to bad breath. Probiotics and oral hygiene unveiled. Probiotics can contribute to dental health in several ways. The oral cavity is home to a diverse community of bacteria, and maintaining a healthy balance is crucial for preventing dental issues. Here's how probiotics can be beneficial for dental health and bad breath. Balancing oral microbiome. Probiotics can help balance the oral microbiome by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. This balance is essential for preventing the overgrowth of harmful bacteria that can lead to tooth decay and gum disease. Reducing bad breath. Probiotics may help reduce bad breath by inhibiting the growth of odor-producing bacteria in the mouth. Preventing gum disease. Probiotics may play a role in preventing or managing gum disease, gingivitis, and periodontitis by promoting a healthy balance of bacteria and reducing inflammation. Protecting against cavities. Some probiotic strains, such as Streptococcus salivarius, have been associated with a lower risk of cavities by competing with harmful bacteria for resources and producing substances that inhibit their growth. Supporting immune function. A healthy oral microbiome supported by probiotics can contribute to overall immune system function, helping the body fend off infections and diseases, including those affecting the mouth. While probiotics can be beneficial, it's important to note that they should complement, not replace, traditional oral care practices such as regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. Additionally, the specific strains and formulations of probiotics may vary, so it's advisable to consult with a dentist or healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate probiotic approach for your individual needs.